Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Namaste, listeners. This is Veronica Gauri, Pragun Mehta,
Bhavya Kataria,
Nitya Bhardwaj, Hriday Renan from Nirmal Bharatiya School, all the way in Dwarka, Sector 14, New Delhi. In this edition of Terra Talk, we'll be talking about our visit to Sanchi. In talk show format, we'll be emphasizing about our visit to the Sanchi Stup, built by the great Ashok as his devotion to Buddhism. Now, buckle up your seatbelts and enjoy this historical roller coaster of the teachings of Buddha and more about the city Sanchi.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
50 kilometers from Bhopal is Sanchi. It is famous for its historical sites. After the 12th century CE, the site fell into disuse and was largely forgotten until its rediscovery in the early 19th century by British officer General Taylor. Sanchi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site celebrated for its well-preserved stupas and its significance in the history of Buddhism. The stupa is the most famous structure at Sanchi, built in the 3rd century BCE by Emperor Ashoka.
East Toran. The East Toran mainly focus on Buddha's early life and key events leading up to his enlightenment. West Toran. The West Toran focus on the miracles and the stories of Buddha's teachings. South Toran. The South Toran depicts Buddha's enlightenment and his subsequent teaching. North Toran. The North Toran highlights events related to Buddha's death and the spread of his teaching. Ashoka the Great was one of the India's most renowned emperors, ruling the modern empire from around 268 BCE. Ashoka's commitment to Buddhism is shown in his efforts to promote it across ancient Asia.
The Ashoka pillars are stone columns erected by Emperor Ashoka during the 3rd century BCE to spread his messages of Buddhist dharma and non-violence. All found throughout the Indian subcontinent, these pillars showcase Ashoka's Buddhist philosophy. It emphasizes on mercy, charity, and truthfulness. A capital in architectural terms is a reference to the top section of a column. These often feature decorative details and imagery. The Ashoka pillars were made of polished stone, with many featuring finely carved capitals that depict animals like lions, elephants, or bulls, representing the power of protection. Lion capital of Ashoka, our national emblem. In 1950, after India had gained independence, it was decided that the state emblem will be based on the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Wow, after hearing all this information and visiting this historic place, we feel that Sanchi Stupa is a place where you can reconnect with your inner self, feel happy and relaxed. Peace is found in abundance here, making it a place perfect for reflection on one's seats. When I close my eyes, I feel the warm sunlight on my face, and on opening them I see a glimpse of the mighty Sanchi Stupa. In conclusion, Sanchi Stupa is an amazing architectural marvel, and we highly recommend you to visit it. We thank our teachers, our school, and EdTerra Adventurers for making this podcast possible. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk,
The #1 station.